Tell me on a cruise with over 100,000 miles, you ain't recommend nothing.
You know, funny and how true this is. So I used to work at the dealership, and when I did, I was a used car tech. I worked from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Used cars was basically like from 10 to like 3, 10 to 4. Once the morning shift went home, then I was basically doing like quick lube and stuff. Anything from oil change alignments to oil change or alignments. Yeah, that covered it. Wheels, tires, stuff like that. Simple stuff. But I can't tell you how many times my advisor, Jimmy, would be like, John, this car doesn't need anything? This doesn't need anything? You sure? It's like, yes. It's also 7 o'clock at night. That person wants to go home. I want to go home. I ain't trying to sell something that it doesn't need. If the car has under 50,000 miles, the odds that it needs anything other than maybe brakes and tires is slim to none. You should probably do your maintenance, like transmission, differential, stuff like that. I don't see that ever getting done, but whatever. But yeah, other stuff though, unless they're crashing the car, it's not going to need anything. These new cars are really good up until 100,000 miles of not like needing basic service. They'll need repairs to pass 100,000 miles. But if your car needs actual repairs before then, either A, you're doing something wrong to your car, or B, you bought something you shouldn't have bought. You bought a Kia or a Hyundai, and you're probably going to need a motor. Or you bought a Heap. If you buy one of those, good luck having stuff not break. Fiat is amazing at making bad stuff. But anyways, yeah, I can't tell you how many times I saw that in the industry. It's like, what? That's the whole problem. It's a commission-based industry, so yeah, you get a lot of that upselling BS that you don't necessarily need. So yeah, this video is 100% true. I hated it. The car doesn't need anything, Jimmy. It doesn't need anything.